In today's video, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency trading, specifically focusing on the MEXC Referral program. If you're looking for a reliable platform to trade your favorite tokens, MEXC is definitely worth your consideration. So, what exactly is MEXC? MEXC is a global cryptocurrency exchange that provides a user-friendly interface, robust security features, and a wide variety of trading options. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, MEXC offers tools and resources to help you succeed. Now, let's talk about the MEXC Referral program. By using a referral code, you can unlock exclusive benefits that enhance your trading experience. Using my referral code 12K4M5, you not only get access to special discounts on trading fees, but also bonuses when you first register and start trading. This is a great way to maximize your investments while minimizing costs, allowing you to keep more of your hard-earned profits. One of the best things about the MEXC referral system is that it creates a win-win scenario. You save money, and I receive a small incentive for referring you. It's that simple. As a new user, you'll enjoy a streamlined registration process, allowing you to quickly access the plethora of cryptocurrencies available on MEXC. And remember, by trading on MEXC through my referral code 12K4M5, you will also have access to their top-notch customer support. Whether you have questions about trading or need help with withdrawals, their dedicated team is there to assist you. So, if you're interested in diving into cryptocurrency trading or looking for a new platform, consider using my MEXC referral code 12K4M5 when you sign up. Join the community, start trading, and benefit from the advantages that MEXC has to offer. Thank you for watching Crypto Kickstart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more valuable content. Happy trading!